In this video, I will be checking out the VUEROID D20 Kutu dual camera dash cam. We will first do an unboxing to show you what you get and then go over how well it performs. So let's dive right in. First up is the packaging. As you can see, the packaging, very nice, solid, and you can see the product right up front. And if we flip it over to the side, you can see all of the tech specs. Now, VUEROID sells several different versions of this dash cam, but the one that we have here today is the dual 2K QHD dash cam with a 5 megapixel sensor in both the front and rear camera. It supports up to a 256 gigabyte micro SD card, has enhanced night vision, plus built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and GPS. There is also an accompanying app that allows you to play back, edit, and save your footage to your phone for easy access. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now, on the top, you have the main dash cam. After removing it, you will find the quick start guide, accessories, and rear camera boxes. Now, on the main camera, you have the on and off switch, plus the micro SD card slot on the left side. Now, on the top, you can see the power and rear camera input plus 3 buttons: voice, record, and Wi-Fi. Now, the voice button, when held down for more than 3 seconds, will toggle the voice guidance on or off. Hold it down for less than 3 seconds, will toggle the car interior voice recording on or off. If you press the middle record button, this will start a manual recording as opposed to the automatic ones when the dash cam detects an event. The Wi-Fi button on the right will toggle the Wi-Fi connection so that you can connect your phone to the dash cam. Flipping to the front, you can see the main camera, which can be rotated up or down to fit your car. And on the very top is the built-in installation mounting point. Next, let's go over what else is included in the box. The smaller box of the two has the 20-foot rear camera cable as well as the rear camera itself. This camera mounts the same way as the front camera for easy placement and rotates 360 degrees so you can get any angle that you need. Last in the box, you will find the accessories. This includes the 10-foot hardwired power cable plus the SD card if it is not already installed in the main camera. Optionally, you can purchase a 12-volt power adapter. However, you will not be able to use the parking mode, which we will cover later. So let's talk about what features this dash cam has. First, the camera itself. Unlike other dash cams, both the forward-facing and rear-facing cameras have 2K resolution and record at 30 frames per second. Both cameras are also HDR, or high dynamic range capable, to give you better clarity, not just during the day, but at night as well. On the front, you will see a security and status LED, which will tell you what mode the dash cam is in. It has a built-in GPS that will show you the route you took, speed, and other data that can be reviewed later on in the app. There is also a G-sensor which notes your speed and detects when there has been an impact on your car. This is especially important when it comes to the parking mode. Parking mode acts as a security camera while your car is in park and will record 30-second clips if it detects motion or senses an impact on your car. There is also an automatic camera shutdown feature that will turn off the camera if your car battery becomes too low. As we noted, for this feature to work, the dash cam does need to be installed with the supplied hardwire power cable. Last, there is a built-in speaker for the advanced driving assistance system, which will give you real-time alerts, such as forward collision.
There is a risk of collision with the vehicle in front.
Front vehicle start alarm. Rear collision and lane departure warnings. These alerts will trigger the camera to note the event automatically and is logged on the recorded video so you can easily find it later. Overall, this is a great little unit, and if you are interested in picking one of these up, there is a link down below in the description. Thanks for sticking around, and please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.